Okay, so go ahead and log in to your Bridge web hosting. Let's go to the cPanel. Let me see. Do you remember how to get there? Okay, perfect. At the bottom where it says File Manager, go ahead and click on File Manager. All right, cool. Let me see. All right, perfect. On the left-hand side, click on Public HTML. All right, perfect. Yeah, so great. So Um, what all the students need to do is always go to public HTML, and on the right-hand side, you see how it shows everything that's under the public HTML. This is what you're going to see online. This is
Oh,
what you're
this.
seeing. Yeah, all that. But what you need to have is an index file. So right now you have unit A index, and then you have unit B about us.html. So it won't work unless you have an index, like a file that's just completely index.html. So, do you happen to have that like on your regular computer?
Yes,
All right, so go ahead and show me that.
in the folder.
Um, on File Explorer, do you see where it says View, the tool on the toolbar? Not all the way to the,
Yeah, over here.
yes, go ahead and click on that. So what we need to do is activate the file extensions. Go to show all the way at the bottom. Let's see if we can there we go. File name extensions. Click on
This
that.
one.
Yes. So we always have to make, I think we could, if we do it once, then that's good. It'll always be active.
Let me
Okay.
go to the VS Code. Can you see this part?
No, I can't see your VS Code. Yeah.
Uh,
All right. That's good right there. That's
okay.
good. All right.
So I think this was one requirement. I think this was towards the end or somewhere. I don't know because I think this is when I was done, like unit
Okay.
A index.
So go to line 4 and erase that code. Erase that. Erase that line. Yeah. Okay. Good like that. Stay right there. So
Okay.
go ahead and save that. Save. And I want you to open your index file. Now that we're here, open the index file.
So from here or go
Yeah,
back?
so go to file and then go to open. Yeah, open file. And then go to IS-48 projects. Yes, and then double click the index file. The
This one?
index.html. Yes, that one. Okay, perfect. All right. All right. So under scroll up on line 4 where it says your full name, go ahead and change
Yeah.
it and type in your name.
I was gonna type in that one because I ended up typing it in line A. So I was like, maybe in
Yeah.
line four, it means, oh, they are just asking a question.
Let's start by line 11
Okay.
where it says public HTML. Erase public HTML and then just type projects. All right. And
So what does UL mean?
then UL, what you're doing with UL is that you're creating an unordered list.
Okay.
Basically, it's a bulleted list. So you're just basically establishing, so projects would be like the header of the bulleted list.
Mm-hmm.
And then what we're going to be doing is creating the actual bullets.
Okay.
So on the next line, line 12.
Mm-hmm.
So on the next line, line 12, where it says folder, you're going to erase that.
The in the parentheses one?
Yeah, go ahead and erase that one. And also the other one, the first one that says folder. And instead of folder, you're going to type, so keep the brackets.
Okay.
and then you're going to type li. So also on line 12, all the way at the end, that one that says folder,
It's gonna be li.
yeah, backslash li, and then an I. Yeah, perfect. So okay, cool. So now what we're gonna do is on line 12 again,
Okay.
we're gonna create a link. Okay. So on line 12, go right before unit A, and then type open bracket.
Um. So I have to use the open bracket.
Yeah, open bracket like the what is it? Like less, I'm sorry, it's
Okay.
like the less than.
Less than.
Yeah, perfect like that. And then A, capital A,
Oh, capital A.
yeah, A or lowercase a, whichever one. Space, href,
HREF
equal sign,
equal sign.
and then in quotation mark, open quotation mark,
Double or single.
double,
Okay.
and you're gonna type unit A,
It can be small or big.
uh, uh, capital U,
Capital U. Okay.
lowercase nit a,
Okay.
backslash, okay, and then we're gonna type index.html,
Okay.
close quotation mark, close double quotation, close bracket,
Close that bracket with the
the
greater than sign.
yes, and then you see how it created that close A automatically.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that close A, you're gonna put it after where it says unit A.
Okay, so I have to.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, put it right there.
Okay.
Yeah, you can erase that and then put it right there. Perfect.
And then it's gonna be
So yeah, go ahead and do that.
uh okay, this way, and then
Yeah, perfect. Just like that. Okay. Oh no, you can erase that. Erase that last A that you have there. Perfect, like that. So let me just explain something real quick here. So what you're doing is you're creating a link. The
okay.
code that I just gave you is a code to create a link. And so what we're doing is what's in quotation marks, you see what says unit A backslash index. That's the
Yes.
path. That's the path to the link. So
Okay.
so what it's gonna be doing, it's looking at from the cPanel on the uh, we call it the root where the public HTML folder's at. That's the root.
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to look at in there, it's going to start looking in there first. And it's going to look for the unit A folder. And it's
Ah,
going to go
okay.
inside the unit A folder. And then from there, it'll go into a file called index.html.
Oh,
And what's
okay.
going to be linked is uh, the word unit A, which is between, which is right before that backslash A. Okay.
Okay.
So that's all
So
we're
it's
going to
gonna
do.
pick up this thing. It
Yes, it's gonna
pick
look,
up this thing.
that's gonna be a link.
Ah, okay.
That's the text that's gonna be a link. Okay.
Ah, okay.
So let's go ahead and save it. Let's save your file. Okay. And remember, it's unit A index.html. Okay. So let me show me your folder.
So in the in the files now, in
Yeah,
the
show me your
projects,
file explorer. Okay, cool. So right now we edited
yeah, it shows
index.html.
over here at that time.
Cool. So no, notice the second folder is unit A, right?
Yes.
So let's double click on unit A. I just want to make sure that you have a file called. Okay, so you see where it says unit A index.html. I want you to
I
rename.
created when I was doing it. I'm so sorry, but the thing is that I thought since it's gonna be just index.html and how will you know or how will I know that this index.html is related to unit A.
So if you want to keep it safe, let's call it then. What we want to do is our file names, we don't want to have spaces in them. So
Okay.
if you want to do unit A index.html, that's fine. Let's remove the spaces though. So the space between unit and then A, and then, yeah, there we go, like that. Cool. So let's save. Okay, actually, you don't have to save anything. So whenever you make a change on your File Explorer, we need to make a change on our
In the VS Code.
index file. So let's go back to our index file, and we're gonna use that same name that we have, the unit A index.html. We're gonna rename it to that. Okay. So go back to your, yeah, there you go. So on line 12.
Mm-hmm.
So go to line 12 and where it says index.html. So don't
Mm-hmm.
erase anything. Just go to index.html. Right before index,
Okay.
you're going to type capital U,
So I'm just
lowercase.
gonna keep that backslash.
Yeah, keep the backslash. So
So, okay, forward.
no, 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 no forward. No forward. Erase.
Oh,
So you're going to type capital U,
okay.
unit. Yeah, you see, it's already understanding it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So double click or click on that. Good. See, so it's it understands that that's what you want to do. So unit A index A. So save it. Cool. All right. So now what we're gonna do is let's go to back to Window File Explorer. Let's go back to
The
the
projects.
IS-48 projects. Perfect. All right. So now what we're gonna do is test it, what we call uh, a local test, testing it locally. It's not gonna go live yet. We just want to
Okay.
test it on your computer. So right click index.html. So right click it and then go to open with. And we want to see, what's your browser of preference? Google
Mine
Chrome.
is Google Chrome. Yeah,
Okay.
that's
So
always a
choose Google
default.
Chrome. Click on Google Chrome. Okay. And actually, all we're doing right now is testing the first one. All I want to do is test Unit A. So go ahead and click on Unit A. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So if I click unit
But
A, this is what it shows me.
perfect. That's what we want. See, so now we know it works. So go back. Cool. So now we know that it works. You create links for all the projects. So, every week you're going to update the index.html file and you're going to add links to the latest projects that you finished. So
And
every time you
mhm.
just links, you just upload the links. So now here, let's do this. Let's upload um let's upload your index file to the cPanel so you could see it live now.
Okay, so
Okay.
where should I go now?
So let's go to the cPanel. All right.
And um, let me see which
All right.
screen
So
is.
remember, here's the other very important thing that I need to tell you. Whatever you have on your File Explorer needs to look, identical or close to identical to whatever's in your public HTML folder, okay?
Uh-huh.
So there's a lot of things that are missing here that we need to add. So one of the things we need to add is a Unit A folder. There you are. Watch, go ahead and click on the plus folder. You see
Um,
at the top on the top left, like right there.
this file. Okay, this
Yeah,
one.
yes, that one. And then type Unit A. Perfect. And then click create new folder.
Create a new folder with public underscore score
Yeah,
HTML.
yeah, yeah. We'll just leave it there.
Okay.
Good. Cool. So we have it there. Um, Go inside Unit A folder. Yeah, go in double or click in there. Good. Folder is empty, right? So now what we
Yes.
want to do is, so click on upload.
click on where it says upload. Okay,
Right
yes.
there, click on upload, and then go ahead and select file. And we're gonna go to your public
IS.
HTML. Good, right there. Go to Unit A.
Just the unit A.
Yes, Unit A, double click it, and then click on that one. So let's go back. How do we go back to,
Over here, it says go
yes,
back.
go back.
Okay, now it shows me over here.
All right, perfect. Okay, let's go to the public HTML folder on the left-hand side. Good. So as you can see, we have a Unit A folder. Inside that Unit A folder, we have the Unit A index, and then now we need to upload the regular index file.
Whereas
Let's delete those. Delete those because we're not gonna so see let's see. Yeah, there we go. Delete. So delete that one too. Yes, perfect. Good. Now let's do an upload. Upload the index.
so
Um,
the one that I have uploaded it, that one, it's that index HTML is gonna show in this unit A file.
correct. Yeah, it's inside already. It's inside that folder.
How
All right.
can we
So
see?
double click. You
Oh,
want to check it
okay.
out? Yeah, see that it's right there.
Okay.
So go back to public HTML. Good. So now let's do another upload. This time we're going to upload the index, the regular index file, not that one. There, let's see.
Because the one we uploaded isn't that one we uploaded, which was already created in this unit
Yeah,
A
so now
folder.
we don't want to upload that one. We already did that. So do the regular one, the one that's right there, index. Yeah, do that one.
Okay.
Good. Cool. Perfect. So now let's go back. Go back to the, yes, go back there. Cool. So now here's what we're gonna do now. So now open up a new tab on your browser. Open a new tab, and then go to your website, which is www.
cPanel or bridge?
No, no. What was your? Let me see. You
AJITSAR
AGI, yes, AJITSAR.
.com.
Mm-hmm.